country Kerala, doing my BTech from Government Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology. I would like to introduce to you myself basically as a programmer. Now let's talk business. Talks on Windows Azure, whatever it may be. It starts with cloud computing. So who am I to break this convention? So let's talk about the cloud computing. It is delivery of computing as a service rather than a product. So cloud computing can be regarded as a utility computing. Let's regard it as any utility that we use in our home, be it electricity, water, you can name it. We pay for what we use. That's what cloud computing technology is all about. Any cloud computing technology needs to provide three basic services. Oh, oops, I forgot to introduce my friend to you. Say hi, Cluedo. He will help us with this video. And I was saying that three basic services. First one is software as a service, SaaS. Second one is platform as a service, PaaS. And third one is infrastructure as a service, IaaS. The name says everything. So let's say cheers to the cloud. We have Windows Azure here. Windows Azure can either be regarded as a platform or as an operating system. For the time being, Windows Azure is an OS designed for utility computing. For the sake of explanation, let's think of any Windows operating system OS that's deployed over a cloud. That's what Windows Azure is. It allows to build, host and scale applications through Microsoft data centers. So we are engineers and we want features. We have four important features by Microsoft Windows Azure. The first one is that it have automated service management. You define the rule and code, you are the king. Second one is that it have a powerful service hosting environment. It provides all the hardware, it's virtual and it have direct execution, it's your show. And the third one is that it's scalable. And the fourth one and the most important one is that it provides a rich, familiar developer experience. And now we will be addressing the question, what is Windows Azure Platform? Windows Azure Platform comes under the classification of PaaS, Platform as a Service. Microsoft also have software as a service, that's Microsoft Online Services. It is hosted in Microsoft data centers. We need a trinity for developing and deploying any cloud computing application. And the first one is compute, second one is storage, and third one is fabric. And now I would like to tell how Microsoft is going us to help in this regard. Microsoft offers three services through three product brands, well known for its services. First one is Windows Azure operating system. Obviously we have discussed a lot about it. And the second one is SQL Azure. SQL Azure is a cloud-based scale-out version of SQL servers. We know it, structured query language, and for obvious reason IT plays with data, a lot of data. And the third one is that we have Windows Azure App Fabric. It's a collection of services supporting all the applications in the cloud and on the premises. To name a few, we have Microsoft .NET services, Microsoft SharePoint services, and Microsoft Silverlight. You can name the rest. And let me say, this is just a small pie of cloud computing. I started this topic today just because of a simple reason. I would like to quote, information technology today and information technology tomorrow means it's all about cloud computing. Believe me and my code. Thank you, Cluedo, for helping me out, and thank you very much for your valuable time. Have a nice day.